Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do chains as the basic of any crochet project that you wish to do. And before that, we're going to make the slip knot, and I have a separate video tutorial how to make a slip knot if you wish to review that again before we continue how to make the chains, but I will show it to you again here. So grab your yarn and then pull it 2 times in your fingers, and then grab the one on the back to the front and then leave it there, and then grab the other one to down, bring it down, okay, and then insert your hook. At the same time, remove your finger and then pull it through. Voila. So your slip knot is ready. Okay? And then place your yarn in between your fingers, and then your other 2 fingers holding the tail, and then make sure that you are comfortable the way you're holding the hook. Then we will continue how to make the chains. So how to do that, you just need to grab your yarn and then pull it through. So that's the first one, and then grab your yarn, put it through. This is second chain, and then grab again. Okay, grab your yarn and then pull it through. Grab your yarn and then pull it through. So continue doing this until the length that you wish, or depend on your project. So this is what it's called chains. This is on the front part, and then this one is the back part. I will continue making the chains, so you will see how it's look like when it's longer than this. So grab your yarn, pull it through, grab your yarn, pull it through. So you continue doing so until the length that you wish to do. Okay? Here we go. So slightly longer. And this is the back part. Right? Okay. It's a pretty simple. That's it. Now you know how to make the chains. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.